Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are talking about emotional freedom technique in pediatric dentistry. Of course, as pediatric dentists, we always come across children who are in fear, who are apprehensive. Emotion is nothing but energy in motion. Whenever there is fear or apprehension involved, it's a depleted emotion. Depleted emotion is a expression of blocked energy. Now, when we say emotional freedom technique, it allows us to release these blockages so that the instructions that can be then given after the release of the blocks can be understood and well comprehended. When we see the child in the dental chair, I'm always sitting on the right side of the chair, of course, and from there I have access to certain points. Before the treatment appointment, I always inform the parents if I see that the child is a bit apprehensive. I always tell the parents that we may be able to do a bit of a tapping during the treatment so that the child is able to cope up with the environment in the best manner. And of course, we take their consent, and then when during the treatment appointment, either when I'm giving the instructions for conscious sedation or for the treatment in general, I will have the access to the points such as the point on the crown, the temporal points just behind the earlobe, or the one on the brows, on top of the brows, outer angle of the eye, and the most common one that I access is always on the hand. The philosophy of EFT is that we have meridian points in the body. When these meridian points are stimulated and the brain is given instruction at the same time, these instructions go very well addressed to the subconscious brain. And once the clarity comes at the subconscious level, the expressions start to occur at the conscious level, and that's where the behavior of the child will change. Obviously, as pediatric dentists, we all want to address the fear of the child. That's why we have several behavior management techniques. We can easily do dental treatments without any of these, but all of us want to see happy faces. We all want to do the children treatment for the children in the best manner so that we see happy faces not only before and after, but also during the treatment. And that's where all these behavior management tools come in picture. EFT being one of the tools of NLP is something that I use in my practice, and I can say that 90% of times it works very well. Of course, there are scenarios where the fear and apprehension is very deep-seated. There are multiple layers which one single session or 2 sessions of EFT cannot really take over. So those are the situations where we are talking about general anesthesia and all those other medicaments that come into picture. But generally, gentle, subtle tapping points or tapping of the meridian points with EFT with the instructions that are right and comprehensible as per the age of the child works very well. Thank you.